Hey everyone, welcome back. In a previous video, we upgraded the Anycubic Kobra S1 with a new hot end and tuned the extruder motor power to get more reliable extrusion and faster printing. Today we're going one step further. We're unlocking the hidden power of this machine with a custom firmware called Rinkhals. This firmware keeps all the normal touchscreen features, but adds things like a web interface, remote printing, SSH access, and even apps. I'll show you step by step how to install it, how it works with our upgraded hardware, and how you can safely go back to your stock firmware if you ever need to.
869 869.
So, what is Rinkhals? It's a custom firmware overlay for the Kobra series. Instead of replacing everything, it layers on top of Anycubic software. That means you still get your standard printing menu and calibration tools, but you also gain access to advanced features like web control via Mainsail or Fluid, SSH access for power users, over-the-air updates, USB camera support, and app manager for things like Octo Everywhere or Tailscale. And because we've upgraded our hot end and tuned the extruder motor, Rinkhals makes it easier to really push those upgrades, monitoring temps, testing higher temp filaments, and fine-tuning extrusion from a web UI instead of just a screen. Here's how to prepare the install. Head to the Rinkhals GitHub page, link in the description. Download the latest release. At the time of this recording, that's version 20250815_01, which supports firmware 2.5.6.4, which is at the moment the latest. Rename the file to upgrade.swu. Format a USB drive to FAT32 with MBR partition style. Create a folder called AGVSCF9ZB3NF, exactly like that, then put the file inside. That's it, USB stick is ready. Speaking about being ready, let's hear about our sponsor.
Introducing PCBWay.com, the online one-stop shop for all your electronic ambitions. Need circuit technology or small-run manufactured parts, PCBs, 3D prints or CNC millings in PLA, ABS or aluminium, and a whole rainbow of color options. Upload your specs, approve the design, pay and await express delivery. Fair pricing, no minimum orders, and total control throughout. Contact our design team at PCBWay.com.
Plug the USB into the S1, then just wait. In about 10 seconds, you will see a Rinkhals Kobra appearing on your screen. Wait until it disappears, and you will hear a beep. At that stage, the printer is flashing the new firmware. After it reboots, go to Settings, Rinkhals. If you see that menu, you're in. Now, let's talk apps. From the Rinkhals App Store, you can add Octo Everywhere for remote monitoring, Cloudflare Tunnel for secure browser access, Tailscale VPN for private networking. And if you plug in a USB camera, you'll get live feed and time-lapse features inside the web UI. This is great for testing material profiles. If you don't see the Rinkhals menu, double check that your USB is formatted correctly and the folder is named right. That's the number one issue people run into. And don't worry, if something goes wrong, you can always go back. Just grab Anycubic's official firmware.swu, put it on the USB the same way, and reinstall it. You're never stuck. So that's it. Rinkhals installed and running on your upgraded Kobra S1. With web control, apps, and over-the-air updates, it's a huge step up. And combined with the hot end upgrade and extruder tuning we did earlier, this machine feels way more powerful than stock. If you want to see the hot end swap or motor tuning process, check out the links in the description. I will walk you through those upgrades in detail. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dive tutorials, and drop a comment. What app or feature are you most excited to try with Rinkhals? Keep safe and bye for now. Bye!